Hi, I'm Jeff Albrecht, extreme colorist from California. I like to play around with bold colors. I'm happy when I paint. People refer to my paintings as happy paintings. I started my career painting marine life. I've been known for decades for painting turtles and whales and things that I've experienced underwater. And those things have shifted over time to where I still love painting those things, but sometimes it's flowers that were given to my wife as a gift from her students. I started my art career taking other people's ideas when they would commission me to do artwork, and they would take things important to them and ask me if I could recreate them on canvas with my own unique style. And that started way back in high school. I continue that process today. I get inspiration and themes from all types of things around me, and I'm excited every time I get to paint something new. Some of my most meaningful works have come through donating projects. I did a project in Maui to a school that was trying to start an art program, and so I created a 950 square foot mural on the side of their building, right where the students get dropped off in the morning. And I wanted the students to be able to feel like they were important, they were valued. I'm just reminded every day that that's what I'm supposed to be doing. That's what I've made to do. I feel like I'm supposed to take all of those amazing experiences, just say yes when the opportunities open up, not knowing where it's going to end up, but just enjoying the journey. There's hearts that I'll use a lot of times in my artwork as a reminder that we're surrounded by love. They just start to show themselves. I see these natural shapes in objects, whether it be in flowers or the way that tree branches cross each other. There's a sun symbol that a lot of people ask about. It's in all of my work. And it's just a reminder that my artwork isn't about me. It's all about a larger design. I believe that God's put all of these things in place for us, and that's how I can be reminded every single day. I want people to be reminded that they've got love around them all the time. We have support systems, there's beautiful things all around us. And I hope that my artwork, I hope whoever sees it, that at the end of a long day, it puts them in a good place. It brings them back to good memories, to connections they've had to other things, whether it be marine life, whether it be palm trees, whether it just be someone that they're remembering that they haven't seen for a long time. To me, those are the important moments in life that make it rich, that make it exciting, that a lot of times we don't slow down enough to see.